of Atasha here at Jollibee Candelaria. I am your party host. I am Ate Faye together with Kuya Ervin and Marcus. So bago po ang lahat, welcome po muna natin ang ating birthday celebrant na si Atasha. Ayan.
Happy birthday!
Yan, napakaganda naman ang ating set.
Yan, teacher po. Message ka kay Atasha.
Happy birthday!
Yeah, happy birthday, Tasha. Well, magpakabait lagi.
Hi Tasha, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Si Mami Anchang mag-enjoy sa gift.
Pero siya, makikinig ka lagi kay mama and daddy.
Happy birthday, Tasha. Magpakabait lagi kay Mami and Daddy. Love you.
Happy birthday kay Tasha Buel. Love you always. Papaka-invite ka lagi.
Hi Tasha, happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo, enjoy mo lang yung pagkabata mo. Huwag mong madaliin lumaki kasi mahirap. Kasi galing-galing mo!
Happy birthday, Tasha. Alam mo naman, mabait ka na. Dapat lalo ka pa magbait. Makinig kay mami, kay daddy, kay nanay, kay tatay lo. Ha? Ayun lang, mag-aral ka mabuti. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tasha. You know the rules and you're always best. Aray ko. Yan, happy birthday. Gets mo nila.
Birthday baby. Love you so much.
Hey, Ate Paning! Cute, cute! Tutuyan? Nasa tutuyan! Happy birthday! Pero yan!
Happy birthday. Ay, sorry. Happy birthday, Tasha. Ingat ka palagi.
Dance na.
Dance!
Okay, next po si Kuya Hans.
Oh, may sabewa! Si Tasha! Ikot mo, ikot mo! Yung yes ko! Tasha, ikot! Pogi.
Okay na daw po?
Happy birthday, Tashishi. Sana ay huwag ka nang masungit.
Happy birthday, Atasha. Enjoy lang.
Tashi, happy birthday. Ang best friend natin na nagmula sa mundo ng fairy tale land. Walang iba kundi ang best friend nating lahat, Jollibee! Yan, Jollibee ko, ito muna sa ating mga guests. Yan, at ipinakikilala ko sa inyo nag-celebrate ng kanyang birthday today, si Atasha. Yan, at balita ko, Jollibee may inihanda ang regalo para kay Atasha. Kaya naman, huwag mo nang patagalin pa, ibigay mo na ang ating birthday gift. Yan, at balita ko, hindi lang birthday gift ang inihanda mo para sa 2, 3. And now, yung mas maganda. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yan, at bago pa-blow ng candle, in 1, 2, 3, and blow! Blow! And now, Atasha is officially 7 years old. Jollibee kids?